Who the hell?
Let's just say I'm someone who can help you not feel alone anymore.
I won't join a cult.
Listen, here's the deal. You get the love of your life. And I get your firstborn.
You said my firstborn?
Yes.
Deal.
Hello, gorgeous.